Ready? Okay. We're beginning with Group 1.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so right now we have talked about plants and science. We have done several experiments about plants, with plants. So today we're focusing on, do plants need human care? Do they need our help in order to survive? So you guys remember the experiment we did about growing seeds in the paper towel and water? So think about those things. We're going to have a turn talk. You will have 5 minutes to talk to your partner, and then 2 minutes. Yes, let's make it 2 minutes. And discuss the question, can plants survive without help from humans? We will walk around and listen to your conversation. So begin.
So really quick, just listen to your partner and tell your partner we're going to listen. It's a great alternative conception. What do you think the kids say? All right.
Interesting. Very interesting. I heard a conversation over here that it was really interesting. They were like, how do plants survive out in the forest? So today we will see how plants survive. Okay.
So I heard a lot of people saying that they would die without people, and that they wouldn't keep growing, that plants have to get watered. So those are all interesting ideas that we're looking at.
Now let's look at this garden. Any observations about this garden? Beautiful, isn't it?
And how do you think it came to be like that? All those colors are in a very particular order. Humans planted them. And how do you think they keep it looking so nice? Like look at the grass, landscaping, landscaping, lawnmowers. Awesome. Look at this one. It's another really cool one. Do you think those plants just grew in those funny shapes? Edward Scissorhands. Great alternative conception. So people had to plant these and cut them and trim them and water them, etc. So how about this one? This would be a really weird place to plant a flower, don't you think? In between, where do you think this is?
My mom says those aren't flowers. She doesn't like those in her garden.
Okay, what does she say there?
She says they're bad.
But you could call them weeds instead of flowers, but they're still plants.
Still a plant, right? So.
And where is this plant growing?
On the sidewalk.
On the sidewalk. Perfect. So this plant probably no one planted, or we know no one planted it, right? But somehow it's getting all the things that it needs to survive. So we already know a lot about plants. What were those things that plants need to survive? Sun. So we can see it's a pretty sunny area where they're getting lots of sun. Water. So it rains every once in a while, and that must be how it gets its water because no one's watering it, right? Anything else?
Air.
Air. There's lots of air. Anything else? Nutrients from soil probably. I would guess that there's some soil underneath the sidewalk, and that's where it's growing out of. Awesome. Here's another example of more plants that are growing on their own also. So no one planted them or put them in a particular place, because look how they're growing. They're wild, they're going in all directions. So they're growing all by themselves like that. So these plants and the plant that we saw, the weed that we saw, are plants that are growing by themselves without humans helping at all. Pretty cool. So,
Well, now we're going to work in our groups. So remember last time. You will work on using a picture. You will observe the plan in your picture, then you're going to write and draw on it or around the picture to explain how this plan survives. Okay, so you have plenty of space to use. Okay, so this.
So the sheet that I just handed you, we're going to do this in 3 parts, so we're on part A. So that's going to be drawing and writing onto these big pictures that we're giving you, and then we'll move on to the other parts. As a reminder, the pictures up here of the man-made garden that we looked at, the weed growing in the sidewalk, and the jungle, so to keep you guys thinking about how we started our discussion.
Who's Group 2? Where's your hand?
And as soon as you get your picture, you can get started writing right onto the picture or around it with words or drawings. And if you look up here, here's some questions you can talk about with your partner. So how did the plants in your picture get here? Like the dandelion, how did that get between the cracks in the sidewalk? Who takes care of these plants? What do these plants need to survive? And how do these plants get those things, all those things that they need to survive? So you can draw right up. Yeah.
Do we really write in your pictures, or you want us to write in wiki?
No, you can write, this part we're writing on the pictures. And that's some markers too.
What did we, how did this one be?
I'll write it. Retrievers, teachers, tab.
The birds. Let's see there.
No, but I mean, they have the whole, and then, water.
Yeah, that's true. No, but yeah, I'll say 2. So who takes care of the plant? No one.
And who takes care of them? The questions are.
That's one of the misconceptions.
So take 1 more minute and finish this up.
No.
Yeah,
Almost done?
the battery, so the.
Is everyone pretty much done? In our real class, we may give them more time, but we have other things to do. So part B, if you look on your sheet, your handout.
Part B, you're on your wiki scholars page. You're going to comment on the pictures. So open up the comment box.
Your group 2?
Yeah.
Yes.
But right now you're looking for your picture. So you can go on the table of contents and find whatever group number it says on your sheet, and click on that, and it'll go to your picture. Yeah. And then by your picture, you're gonna find the comment box with a funny face. And click on that, and there's a question for you and your partner about your picture. So take a minute to talk with your partner about that question, and then answer it. Is everyone okay? You look confused. Wait, what?
Yeah, we cannot run. Same for you. Which, do you want us to write it on the paper?
Yeah, so just write somewhere in your poster then how, the answer.
So what was that? Even though they're the last same to that. Do you want us to go to part C?
Yeah. We're,
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
but, so just look at your question, by your picture, and you can write it on your sheet.
The right one, my computer, they will try it. The weeds mostly hide and the grass doesn't die in winter because they're perennial. These will say whatever because they're these are supposed to be we usually stay there forever. If we get some of that. That's enough to spray water and
So part C, we had some technical difficulties, but if you can go and scroll and look at some of your friends' pictures, and then talk with your partner about that picture, and then answer their question. Not right onto the wiki, but in paper or writing, or talk verbally.
even that, eventually trees will, weeds will die, and trees will get it. No, because it's a random. So nobody's going so seeds from birds or from the air, because the air makes a lot of weeds.
So answer at least two other people's pictures. I'll let you write on it. Just leave the question. Oh, you can't even read it.
Well, you're gonna get it from there, you think.
You can see it, just not type on it. So in our perfect real world lesson, you would be able to comment on each other's, and we could let this go on for a while, I think, and have some interesting discussion. We won't do this with you guys, but we also plan to have each group share their pictures and what they had written on their pictures, the conclusions that they drew about their plants, and how they grow without any human help. And then just the final question for all the kids would be, so can plants survive without help from humans? And now hopefully they have seen lots of images of plants in different environments that do live without humans, and we can talk about that, or we can talk about any of the conclusions they drew with their partner about how those plants get the things that they need to survive. And that's all. So hopefully that would address the misconception that plants need human care.